About 3 months ago now, sort of on a whim, I kind of decided to start a new business. And I want to show you the how, the when, the where, the why, all that good stuff. But first, I want to show you a thrift trip to Charlotte that I took on the way to a 100-mile yard sale that kind of explains why I started this business. First stop is this Goodwill in Indian Land, South Carolina, which is a little suburb of Charlotte. Hopefully they got some good stuff. This might be pretty good. It's Department 56 and Lionel. I don't know, that's $9.99, $3.99, $1.99 for little people. I'm gonna look that up. I might get that. I got a feeling though it's July, sell-through rate's not gonna be that great. Closer to Christmas, it might actually do pretty good. All right, I looked up the Department 56 Lionel Electric Train Shop, and looks like it sells for around 40 or 50 bucks. But like I said, sell-through rate's not great right now. But I think closer to Christmas, it'll move pretty quick. I'm also going to get the little people here. Looks like they sell for 10 or 12. I may just bundle the two together. But I've already looked through all the rest of the hard goods. Haven't found anything else. Let's check out the clothes. All right, so I only spent $9 on the Department 56 Lionel house and the little people. Apparently they were having a 25% off Christmas and July sale, so that made it even cheaper, which is not too bad. So $9 into 50-ish, I'll definitely take it. All right, next up, the Paul's Thrift Store on Possum Hollow Road. Sounds like I'm in the middle of nowhere, but I'm actually moving closer to Charlotte, even though it does look kind of rural. Supposedly this is the men's clothing and sporting goods section. I'm not gonna lie, it looks kind of sketchy. And this building looks like it's been leaking. Not sure why they store clothes in here, but you never know. All right, I take back everything I said about the clothing in here. I found two really cool things. First up, it's a moose playing golf with a green jacket on. He's playing in the Moosters. That might be some kind of club or private thing. I don't know. I'm not going to leave it behind though. Don't have service in here, so I can't look anything up. But I think shirts are only like $2 or $3. I'm going to grab that. But this guy is awesome. Turnberry, 1994, 123rd Open. How cool is that? Look at that old tag. Once again, no idea how much stuff is here, but I can't leave that behind. All right, I just found two more things. And like I said, I can't look anything up in here. Got no service whatsoever, but I found this Innova Disc Golf Hawaiian shirt. It's really cool. Got the gold or the hole there with the Innova logo, a couple of discs flying around. Kind of neat. I think it might be worth something. And then this Patagonia organic cotton. It's almost like a little thin flannel shirt. I don't know. Looks like it's in really good condition too, freshly dry cleaned. Well, that actually ended up better than I expected. The four shirts were only $6. They were buy one get one free today. First lady didn't tell me that. They told me that when I checked out. Kind of a nice surprise. Once again, I have no idea what any of them are worth. I didn't comp anything out. Still don't have cell phone service, but you can't go wrong with Patagonia for $3. Just dug through all these hats up here. Got some pretty cool hats. I don't know how much they are here. I'm gonna have to look them up. But I believe I'm going to get these three. This one's like Atlanta Braves. I noticed the logo up there. Never seen that before. On the back it says most for Bob, but it's a 59.50 new era. So we're going to grab that. See, I'm in shooting school. I actually looked that one up, and there's none listed, and three have sold anywhere from 15 to 30. And then Sitka, really high-end hunting brand. These things are always going to sell. I don't know much about Funko Pops, but I do scan them when I see them. They want $4.99 for this one. Scan it with the eBay app. Let's see, wow, 6 listed. Filter sold. 6 listed, 17 sold. Brand new 80, brand new 60, pre-owned 65. There's just a figure. Somebody took the best offer on 50. So I think for $4.99 it's gonna be worth it. Well, I got the 3 hats, and I've definitely got to look this Braves one up. I didn't even look it up. Hats are $1.99 here. And also everything is 25% off. I thought it was just Christmas stuff at the last Goodwill, but it's everything in the store is 25% off. So spent $8.82 on everything, the 3 hats and the toasted monkey bomb. The box is definitely destroyed. Looks like the bomb went off, but I still think I can get what, $40 for it maybe. One sold, best offer 50 without the box. think that's gonna do pretty good. Really good sell-through rate too. 6 listed, 17 sold. Pulling up to another Goodwill. I did stop in between and grab some lunch. Stopped at some little hole in the wall ramen place. It was really good, but I feel like they should give you a poncho when you eat ramen. I can't eat it without splashing it all over myself. So if you notice some stains on my shirt, that's why. Just walking into this Goodwill, and as I was walking in, they rolled out a new cart of clothing. And of course, the lady that was rolling it out got mobbed by people, but lucky those people weren't looking for men's polo shirts, because I just hit a nice little lick on some golf polos. Got a Ralph Lauren X Pelican Hill.
For some reason at this point my microphone cut off, so let's do a little voiceover. I ended up picking up 8 golf polos, and there were some good ones. As a matter of fact, 6 out of the 8 have sold. Like this Elk River FootJoy polo sold for $21 plus shipping. This Peter Millar Garden City Golf Club polo shirt sold for $19 plus shipping. This Peter Millar Featherweight Troubadour shirt sold for $28 plus shipping. This Peter Millar Featherweight Pinehurst shirt was a really good one. It sold super quick for $29 plus shipping. And then this Marion Golf Club Ralph Lauren X shirt sold for $42 plus shipping. And finally, this Quail Hollow, which is actually a local course to Charlotte, Ralph Lauren shirt sold for $24 plus shipping. And this last one hasn't sold because it hasn't been listed yet. I can't figure out that logo, so if you know it, let me know. But it also had a few stains on it, so it's in the wash bin. Hopefully I'll get it listed soon.
Why couldn't these be in good shape? G4 golf shoes, $6.99, but they are roached, unfortunately. Darn. All right, welcome to the hard goods, and may have just picked up the find of the day. It's this Auric Orbiter XL Model 400. They only want $8.99 for it, and check out comps. $249. Our best offer on $269, $204, and there's none listed, so it should sell pretty good. Definitely gonna take a shot for $8.99. It won't be hard to ship either. It should actually fit in one of my boxes that I ship golf bags in. All right, so far the best stop of the day for sure. Ended up with 9 shirts. Well, I guess technically 8 because I'm keeping this t-shirt. So 8 shirts, and then the heavy duty Orbiter by Auric. All of that for 42 bucks plus 25 cents for a bag. That was after the 25% off, so that's definitely a good find there. I'm thinking, $225, $250, somewhere in there for $9. You can't beat it.
All right, back from Charlotte, time for an update and also time to discuss the new business. The floor buffer thing, unfortunately, hasn't sold yet, but that's probably because I just listed it like 3 or 4 days ago. I kind of forgot about it. It's been sitting in my garage, and I think it just kind of got lost in the shuffle from when I moved into my storage unit, but it's listed now. Hopefully it'll sell pretty quick. And then 2 of the shirts that I got from the rural thrift store, the one kind of in the middle of nowhere, they were bad buys. The Nova Disc Golf shirt doesn't sell real well at all. And then the Moosters shirt, I think that was some kind of special event. I saw one listed on eBay for $6.99. So really not worth picking up. But everything else I think was pretty good, especially the golf polos. Most of those sold really quick. And that's kind of my new business. Being from South Carolina, I find golf polos like this all the time. Not only that, I find golf hats, golf clubs, and other golf accessories. And normally I would list that stuff in my regular store. But if you pop into my store, you would see a golf polo listed next to a VCR, listed next to a floor buffer, and listed next to a stuffed animal. It's kind of a wide variety. And then one day I just kind of thought to myself, what would happen if I listed all this golf stuff in its own store? Would it lead to more buyers exploring more items because it's all kind of under the same niche? Could it also lead to more repeat buyers because they know there's a place where they can get cool golf gear at a fair price and the inventory is always changing and growing? Not only that, I love golf. I love not only playing golf, I love the history of golf. I love the stories behind the courses. I even love trying to figure out all the little interesting logos, all that stuff. So I started a new store. I used the same name as one of my Instagram accounts, Nostalgic Nines Co. I added a logo and even a cool AI generated golf course banner. So I think the landing page looks pretty good, but honestly, there's probably thousands of golf stores on eBay. So I've been trying to think of ways for my listings to stand out and get clicks and ultimately lead to more sales. And one of the main ways I've done that is using AI backgrounds. When I list an item, I kind of spruce up the main listing photo. I use an app called Photo Room, and there's a few others, but it removes the existing background and lets you search or create a new background with AI. To me, it kind of adds a little something, especially when you're scrolling through a sea of golf gear with the same background, and then mine pops up and kind of gets your attention. And it used to be that eBay wanted you to use a strictly white background, I think because it helped with the search or showed better or something. I don't know. They always recommended a white background. But even I think eBay is going away from that. Even in their own app, they let you remove and change backgrounds. So new store, golf stuff only, and AI background. Seems like a decent idea, but how's it really going? Well, as of September 5th, when I'm editing this video, my store has been open for 96 days. Of course, the first day I may have had like 10 listings and I'm building it slowly, but so far I've sold 92 items for a total of $4,204.10. And right now I've got 143 listings. Overall, for such a small store, I'm pretty happy. The only thing I do wish was a little bit better was repeat buyers. I've got none. I'd really like to build up followers and have more repeat buyers. So I think in the future, I'll send out some little coupons with orders, maybe promote more on Instagram, and then try and list more unique items. I even added a little blurb in the description of all my items that tells potential buyers how to get back to the homepage of my store so that they can look at other golf stuff, because you know how well eBay buyers always read the description. But like I said, overall, I'm pretty happy with how it's going. Not only that, I'm enjoying it. It's something kind of new, kind of exciting, something I've been playing around with and trying new things that don't affect my main store. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Am I doing the right thing? Should I just list everything in one store? Is this a waste of time? Leave me a comment. Let me know. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.